Well, today, lots of people cleaning up from the strong to severe thunderstorms that rolled through West Michigan. A number of trees and power lines are down, power outages. Consumers Energy crews are working to restore the power, but it could take quite some time just because of how many of those individual outages were caused by the significant wind and the potential for an isolated tornado. National Weather Service site crews are going to be investigating in person just to determine exactly whether it was a tornado, and if it was a tornado, especially in Newaygo County, what the intensity was on the EF scale. So we'll be fully tracking all of that for you today, and on guard for another round of severe weather that could be developing for the middle of the week. The short term today, the big story is the colder air spilling in. Temperatures this morning are holding in the low to mid 30s. We've got feels like readings in the 20s. We've actually had a wintry mixture of precipitation come through, a little bit of light flurry, light rain, snow mix coming together. The drier air will be winning out today, and I'm fully anticipating the clouds to break apart and enjoy at least some sunshine to finish the day. Wednesday is the next bullseye day for severe weather potential. We're in a level 3 out of 5 already for severe weather in the central and southern part of the state of Michigan. So again, the Storm Prediction Center very concerned already about the potential for severe weather for the middle of the week. Quiet for Thursday and Friday, and the big story, at least for those of you who are hoping for some real warm spring weather, we don't have any signs of any significant warm up coming our way again anytime soon. Here's a look at the satellite radar composite. Lots of clouds this morning and those sprinkles and flurries coming together. Area of light snow and mixed precip clearing off to the east across northern lower Michigan and the UP, where they were under an ice storm situation for most of the weekend. Tens of thousands of people across northern lower Michigan and the UP still without power as a result of that. In the meantime, you can see the huge holes in the clouds that begin developing this afternoon, this evening, and overnight tonight. We'll wake up tomorrow morning only in the 20s. It's going to be a very cold start to our Tuesday. Tuesday afternoon, we'll start to see the clouds fill back in with more of a west to east flow. Late Tuesday night into early Wednesday, we could see a light area of mixed precipitation. By Wednesday mid-morning, we're east of the pinks here from the I-96 corridor up to about Cadillac and Ludington. We are going to be looking at the potential for winter weather advisories to be issued. We could be looking at a period of freezing rain or mixed precip, and then we have the central and southern part of the area under the potential for severe weather. That level 3 out of 5, where you see the oranges up into central Ottawa, Kent and Ionia counties and points off to the south. So once again, a very active storm system coming through the area on Wednesday. So fairly quiet today and tomorrow. Mid 60s ahead of that storm system on Wednesday. Back into the 50s Thursday and Friday. Rain changing to a mix for Saturday and Sunday. And the big story nationally, the warm air pooling out west right through the second full week of April. A lot of cold air on the map from the central to the eastern United States, including the Great Lakes. So we could be looking at several days in April with high temps not making it out of the 40s.